Good morning, students. How are you? Hopefully you are fine. In last lecture we discussed the classification of polymer. So today I will continue the third classification of polymer on the basis of mode of polymerization. Polymerization means the process in which the polymer is formed by the using of small repeating units or monomeric units. On the basis of mode of polymerization, the polymer classified into two types. One is called addition polymer and second is called condensation polymer. The process in which the addition polymer is formed called addition polymerization, and the process in which the condensation polymer is formed called condensation polymerization. What is addition polymer? Addition polymer is a polymer in which the formation of polymer, the small repeating units completely join together through covalent bond without any elimination of a small molecule. For example, polythene formation. In polythene formation, the large number of ethene molecule completely combined, no elimination takes place. So this is addition polymer. Addition polymer is generally takes place the monomeric units contain carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. On the basis of small repeating units, the addition polymer further classified into two types. One is called homopolymer and second is called copolymer. Homopolymer, homo means same. In this type of polymer, the similar type of small repeating units takes place during formation of polymer. So this type of polymer is called homopolymer. For example, polythene. In polythene, only the ethene molecule takes place. So this is a homopolymer. And the second type of polymer in this category is copolymer. In copolymer, more than one type of repeating units takes place. For example, Buna-S. In Buna-S, two monomeric units takes place. One unit is 1,3-butadiene and second is styrene. Both are combined to each other without any elimination of a small molecule. So this is copolymer. The second types of polymer on the basis of mode of polymerization, condensation polymer. In condensation polymer, during formation of polymer, the small molecule like water, HCl, ammonia are eliminated. If the small molecule are eliminated during formation of polymer, the polymer is called condensation polymer. For example, nylon 66. In nylon 66, the two monomeric units takes place. One is hexamethylene diamine and second is adipic acid. During formation of nylon 66, the large number of water molecules are eliminated, then nylon 66 is formed. So this is a condensation polymer. The other example of condensation polymer is bakelite, nylon 6, etc. We will discuss in next lecture. Thank you very much. I am Yogesh Jain, chemistry teacher.